Are you currently having problems with audio not working on your Facebook Messenger app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your Messenger app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this. And now what you're going to do on this page is to click on the three lines in the top left corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, it should now take us to this page, which is great. On this page, you're just going to click on the settings wheel, as you can see in the top right corner. So click on the settings wheel. It should now take us to this page, which is great. So on this page, what you're going to do, because as you can see, there's actually a lot of options for us here to choose, but you're just going to scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. So click right here, and then you're going to click on turn on notifications. It's just going to take us to this page, as you can see. So notifications is off, so allow them, because what will happen now is that if you scroll down, as you can see, sounds is in here as well. So make sure to enable sounds, and that is basically exactly how to fix this problem.